Welcome! In this tutorial, we are going to customize a course homepage in Desire to Learn. To get started, we're going to click on the Course Admin tab on our navigation bar. And on the Course Admin page, we're going to select Home Pages. And on the Home Pages page, we're going to jump down to the Course Homepage option and select Copy. And then we're going to click the blue hyperlink to launch the properties to make a few changes. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and give it a name. And in the description box, we're just going to go ahead and skip it for the time being and jump down to the type area and keep it widget based. And then we're going to give it a homepage header. So we're going to do this. And then we're going to the layout area and we're going to click on the Change Layout button. There are several options under this menu, but we're going to keep it on Basic and Update. Let's go down to the widget area and we're going to click on Add Widgets. And let's see if news has been added. Nope, let's go ahead and check news. And then we're going to keep going down and we're going to click Updates. And then we're going to click Add. Now, as you see here, the news was already available, so we're just going to go ahead and delete that. And then we are going to save and close. Now, under the active homepage area, we're going to go down to the newly created homepage and click Apply. And you see it is active because of the check mark is listing that is active. So let's go onto the home page on the navigation bar and verify that the new home page is visible. And there you have it, and that is how you customize your course homepage in Desire to Learn. Thank you for watching.